Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to do a gradation on a Konica C754. This also works for the 654 and various other models. Basically a gradation, what it does is it helps your copies. If your copies look a little washed out, you can do this as a user. Us technicians, we also have a menu we can go into and do it as well. I'm going to be showing you the user method today. So just go ahead and press menu, utility, administrator settings, into your password. The default usually is 1 through 8. Go ahead and go to system settings. Come to the right here and go to expert adjustment and then gradation adjustment. And then just go ahead and hit start. And that's going to print out a couple copies. I'm going to show you guys what to do next. Alright, so after your image stabilization is done, just go ahead and hit print. You have 11 by 17 here. That's what you want to have ideally, so it'll be on one sheet or A3. A4 or 8.5 by 11 is what I have, so I'm going to select that option. Press start. It's going to go ahead and print 2 samples out. We're going to place it on the glass. Make sure you clean your glass beforehand. I already wiped mine down, but make sure it's nice and clean. Okay. Then we're going to take the sheets, and you need to do this fast because it actually will time out on you. So match them like that. Looks like that's how we do it. We're going to flip it up. Okay. Hopefully this don't time out on me like it did last time. Try to place a couple sheets on top. Just like that to keep it down. Go down and then hit start. And that's going to perform the gradation. I like to do this 3 times and you'll definitely see an improvement in your copy quality when you perform this. We'll just let it finish and it's all done. And what I like to do is just go ahead and hit print again and do this 2 more times and then you're done. That's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We got a lot of videos coming, guys. Take it easy.